Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to switch between different views in your Rhino model without interacting directly with Grasshopper by using the KeyListener component. The KeyListener triggers updates whenever you press a key combination like Shift and the function key. Its counter output simply tracks how many times the key has been pressed since the definition was opened. By default, it listens to Shift plus F1, but you can assign any function key from F1 to F12 using the Fn input. In this example, I'll set up a simple system where we can move forward and backwards through different views using two keys. This setup uses a stream gate to switch between three different Karamba model and beam views to display the configurations. Each output represents a different view system, and the current one is selected based on the current state of the key-controlled index. The first step is to use two KeyListener components. One is assigned to Shift plus F1, and the other I will assign to Shift plus F2. This allows me to separate actions. One key will move forward, and the other will move backwards. Each KeyListener outputs a count that increases every time the key is pressed. To turn this into navigation, I'll subtract the second count from the first. This gives us a single value that can both increase and decrease. So pressing F1 moves us forward, and pressing F2 moves us backward through the sequence. At this point, the value can grow indefinitely in both directions. To keep things controlled, I'll apply a modulo operation. In this case, I'll use modulo 3 since we have three different views. This converts the value into a repeating cycle, 0, 1, and 2, and then back to 0. Finally, I'll use these values to control which view or display setup is active. Each number corresponds to a different configuration, allowing us to switch between them with simple key presses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.